Kidney stones can cause severe pain during urination and a lot of other discomforts. Here we recommend these 13 drinks that you can add to your diet to reduce the kidney stones and alleviate your pain. Stay till the end, and we will also share 9 ways that you can prevent kidney stones from further developing. Number 13. Lemon juice, nature's citrus boost. Lemon juice, with its high citric acid content, can be a game changer. Citric acid can help break down and dissolve certain types of kidney stones. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of water and drink it throughout the day. It not only adds a refreshing twist to your hydration routine, but also aids in preventing stone formation. Number 12. Apple cider vinegar, a tangy solution. Apple cider vinegar is another kitchen staple that might lend a helping hand. Its acidic nature can help dissolve kidney stones. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water and drink it a few times a day. It's essential to dilute it to avoid any adverse effects on your teeth and stomach lining. Number 11. Pomegranate juice, a refreshing remedy. Pomegranate juice is not only delicious, but may also have potential benefits for kidney stones. Some studies suggest that pomegranate juice can inhibit the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Include fresh pomegranate juice in your daily routine for a refreshing and potentially stone-preventing beverage. Number 10. Watermelon juice, the ultimate hydration. Watermelon, with its high water content, can be a hydrating and tasty way to support kidney health. It also contains compounds like lycopene, which may have antioxidant properties. Snack on watermelon or include it in your smoothies to keep yourself hydrated and possibly reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Number 9. Dandelion Root Tea, a herbal elixir. Dandelion root tea has been used in traditional medicine for various health concerns, including kidney stones. It's believed to have diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production and potentially helping in flushing out kidney stones. Enjoy a cup of dandelion root tea as part of your daily routine. Number 8. Celery juice, a natural diuretic. Celery juice is gaining popularity as a natural diuretic that may help in promoting kidney health. The high water content in celery can contribute to hydration, while its natural diuretic properties may assist in flushing out toxins. Consider incorporating fresh celery juice into your morning routine to harness its potential benefits. Number 7. Uva ursi, the bearberry solution. Uva ursi, also known as bearberry, has been used in traditional medicine for urinary tract health. It contains compounds that may help in reducing inflammation and preventing bacterial growth. Uva ursi is available in supplement form, but it's crucial to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional due to potential side effects. Number 6. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory spice. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that turmeric may help prevent the formation of kidney stones. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to hot tea, coffee, curries, soups, or even golden milk for a flavorful and potentially beneficial addition. Number 5. Olive oil and lemon juice elixir. Some individuals swear by a daily concoction of olive oil and lemon juice as a potential remedy for kidney stones. The combination is believed to lubricate the urinary tract and assist in the passage of stones. However, it's essential to approach such remedies with caution and consult with a healthcare professional before trying them. Number 4. Wheatgrass juice, nutrient-rich elixir. Wheatgrass juice is celebrated for its nutrient-rich profile and potential health benefits. Some proponents suggest that the chlorophyll and antioxidants in wheatgrass may help in preventing kidney stones. If you're a fan of juicing, consider adding wheatgrass to your routine, keeping in mind that its taste is an acquired preference for some. Number 3. Marshmallow Root Tea, soothing elixir. Marshmallow root tea is known for its soothing properties and has been used traditionally to support urinary tract health. It may help in reducing inflammation and promoting the passage of kidney stones. As with any herbal remedy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Number 2. Pineapple juice, tropical relief. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, an enzyme that may have anti-inflammatory properties. Some believe that bromelain can assist in kidney stone prevention by reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Enjoying fresh pineapple juice in moderation can be a tasty way to incorporate this potential remedy into your routine. Number 1. Buchu Tea. Herbal hydration. Buchu tea, derived from the leaves of the buchu plant, has been used traditionally for its diuretic properties. It may help increase urine production, potentially aiding in the flushing out of kidney stones. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to use Buchu tea under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Aside from drinks, here are 9 bonus tips that you can implement in your life to recover from and prevent future development of kidney stone. Number 1. Recognizing symptoms and early intervention. Understanding the symptoms of kidney stones is crucial for early intervention. If you experience severe pain in the back or lower abdomen, blood in urine, or persistent urinary discomfort, it's time to seek medical attention. Early detection allows for prompt treatment and a better chance of resolving the issue before it escalates. Number 2. Lifestyle modifications for kidney health. In addition to dietary changes, adopting certain lifestyle modifications can significantly impact kidney health. Quitting smoking, limiting alcohol intake, and managing stress can contribute to overall well-being and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Small, positive changes in lifestyle can make a big difference in supporting your kidneys. Number 3. Change in dietary habits. In addition to these specific foods, making certain changes in your dietary habits can play a crucial role in preventing kidney stones. Reduce your intake of oxalate-rich foods like beets, nuts, and chocolate. Limit sodium intake and opt for a diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Number 4. Ditching soda and sugary beverages. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of sodas and sugary beverages can be a crucial step in kidney stone prevention. These drinks often contain high levels of fructose and phosphoric acid, which may contribute to stone formation. Opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon for a hydrating and kidney-friendly alternative. Number 5. Consume more magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is known for its potential role in preventing kidney stones, particularly those composed of calcium oxalate. Include magnesium-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Magnesium may bind to oxalates in the digestive tract, reducing their absorption and lowering the risk of stone formation. Number 6. High potassium foods. Balancing act. Including high potassium foods in your diet can contribute to kidney stone prevention. Potassium helps balance the effects of sodium, reducing the risk of stone formation. Foods like bananas, oranges, potatoes, and leafy greens are excellent sources of potassium that can support overall kidney health. Number 7. Fiber-rich foods, supporting digestive health. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet can contribute to better digestive health, indirectly impacting kidney stone prevention. High-fiber foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables help regulate digestion and may reduce the absorption of calcium, a component of some types of kidney stones. So include a variety of fiber-packed foods in your meals for overall well-being. Number 8. Kidney beans, not just a namesake. Kidney beans, despite their name, are actually beneficial for your kidneys. They are rich in fiber, which can help in reducing the risk of kidney stones. Cooked kidney beans can be nutritious in addition to your meals. They provide a good source of plant-based protein and can contribute to overall kidney health. Number 9. Basil, the herb with healing powers. Basil, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, has been used in traditional medicine to support kidney health. Make a basil tea by steeping fresh or dried basil leaves in hot water. Let it cool, strain, and sip on this herbal remedy throughout the day. Basil might help in reducing the pain associated with kidney stones. Remember, these suggestions are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're dealing with kidney stones or have concerns about your kidney health, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and subscribe for more health-related content. Until next time, Take care of your kidneys, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.